No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
So I asked you, Hayden, will you take Raven to be your lawfully wedded wife, to love her, to live together with God's ordinance in holy matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, respect her, and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Now, Raven, I asked you, will you have Hayden to be your lawfully wedded husband, to live together after God's ordinance and holy estate of matrimony? Will you love him, comfort him, respect him, and keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, for as long as you both shall live?
Give me all your love. Give me love. Give me all your love. Give me all your love.
Ladies and gentlemen, I now present unto you Mr. and Mrs. Hayden Calloway.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.